on. Alright, so I'm down here in the Fox River. Got the canal behind me. Fox River's right here. Goal today is to come out in this area, get out some snags. I've seen some barrels down there. There's a newspaper stand right behind me back here. Buddy over here, Jared, says that he's been getting snagged on line down there, so we're gonna try to get it all out, and hopefully they can fish a little better there.
Behind the scenes here. The fun part of diving, getting dressed up.
It's the party night you guys never get to see. Yeah, clicked in. Make sure my tools are nice and handy here. Go. And there we go. Got my knife here, my primary. Got my line cutters right here, ready for cutting line underwater, very sharp. And I got my pliers here, ready to go. We got Jared here. He gave me a hot tip over here. So we're gonna try to clean it up so he doesn't lose any more lures.
I'm Donkey Kong.
There. There's one right here, but I ain't budging. Yeah. There's nowhere to hook it. There we go. I can try to dump water out. Woo!
Stinks.
Yeah, that thing is heavy. There's one that's standing up. The whole top's rusted. I can't budge it.
Really?
It's just like the rusty stuff's breaking off. Now she's really stirred up. Is that guy okay if I go over there?
Yeah, I told him. It's by the one, it's right off the center pin, basically, straight up.
Okay.
Saturday night, a lot of lures were lost on it.
Okay. Here. Roll out a barrel of beer.
Probably no garbage cans that used to be down here.
That's work. I gotta stand up.
I know. I don't see that.
barrels down. I gotta take a break.
That thing stinks.
Yeah. Just imagine what my suit's gonna smell like after this. Another one.
Work cut out for the
Got her? It's some heart attack work there. Are they fishing that way? I gotta stay 100 feet away from them now. Cover that rope. Here. Whoa. Yep. Christmas tree. Oh my goodness. Hold on. That's a good day's dive.
Hey, I knew it was down there.
Probably poked through my gloves like 3 times. How do you think you're on there?
Maybe 100. I think more than that.
I think more than that.
Yeah. Even got the old daredevil on there.
Nice. Oh,
That's a money rod.
yeah. Would you mind if I come past you? Is it okay? Okay. Blade bait, hair jig, and a thunder stick, hit stick. There you go.
Oh, thank you.
No problem, man.
How's the water feel?
It feels good, man.
Yeah.
I'm sweating. It says about 34 degrees. Thousand PSI left.
Good job, man.
Thanks. Hey. That stinks. Get my bearings here a little bit. I was sitting there back and forth and rolling it. Smells pretty nasty. Is everybody taking lures off the log?
I've been watching it.
Anchor magnet, but it was stuck way in the rocks. I couldn't get it out. I got the rope out though. I didn't realize there's so many in here.
Right out over there years ago, about 25, 30, whatever years ago, someone threw it into bed springs. And I worked for the city that the park department actually pulled them out.
Awesome. What's up, man? Jason.
What's that?
They stink really bad.
Thank you. Oh, it stinks.
Oh man, that's been in there a minute.
Yeah.
Well, I got some donations down yonder for you.
I dove for about 10-15 more minutes, but my battery died, so you can't see the footage. Just got done diving. I'm walking back to the shore right now. Got all my gear off. Pulled out a bunch of these barrels out of the water here. And as you can see, they go down all the way. There's barrel, 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 barrel. And at the end, there's a big surprise. There's a second barrel. That's a half a barrel. Another barrel. You got another barrel and a tire. Here's another barrel. And we got 2 more barrels right here. Jared, thank you for your help today.
Absolutely.
Did you have fun?
Yeah, it was cool.
Are these, did you find all these here? Wow, look at all those. That's quite the display. When I seen this underwater, I only seen one little chunk. I saw, and I thought, wow, that's a lot of lures. I didn't realize there's all that until after we pulled it out. This is definitely a cool money stick right here. All right, this is what we all got today out of that pile. Pretty cool find. Head out from Jared here. Head out from Jason there. And a lot of people out here fishing, as you can see. All the boats, all the people on shore over there. All right, just got out of the Fox River here in the canal. Got 6.5 barrels out of there. Plus we got all these lures and a couple more in there. So it was a very productive dive. I was warm the whole time. Now my hands are getting cold. But definitely a go time for all the lure diving. There's thousands more out there, but today was more of a cleanup effort. Good day to dive. So now that I'm done cutting these out of the line and separating all the lead, I'm taking them and I'm organizing them. Starting with ripping wraps, size 6, size 7, I have some size 5s here. I'll load them all on the table, put them all in order, estimate it, and go from there. So about 98% of these lures I pulled off of one log in the Fox River Canal. It was just crazy. But you can see a lead here. There's about 3.5 pounds of lead. I estimate that at about $20. It's a low ball figure. Not if you're buying them one a piece or 3-pack, 4-pack, you're gonna be paying more. But we've got 125 ripping wraps here. Most of the hooks are bad, I had to remove them. But that is a lot of money. There's some customs here, there's some customs there. Got the Northland Shad, the Stray Kings here, some other random ones. Got a nice little clacking wrap. They'll sell pretty good on eBay, around 20, 25 bucks each. Also got these custom painted Oompa Loompas from DKI Outdoors on Facebook. Check him out. He says he's a really hot seller. 15 bucks a piece. Got some V-rods over there. Just a bunch of different blade baits. Bunch of jigs. Over there, hair jigs. Got a bunch of these little tied hooks here. And there's probably more in there. It's hard to pick them out. So all the lures here, I counted 271. About $20 in lead for 3.5 pounds of lead right there. Probably more if you're buying them separately. Swivels, there was 92. I just said 10 cents a piece. $9.20 in swivels. So the lures, if you're buying them brand new, I estimated $1,686.75. That's if you're buying them in the store. And prices change, I get it. So that's just an estimate. In all, with all this stuff added, $1,715.95 lost on one railroad tie or log in the river. Now, last night when I got home, I spent 4 hours cutting this mess up. This morning, I spent about 3 hours cutting old hooks off, rusty hooks, organizing this, giving an estimate for it, looking up prices. And now, after this, I gotta wash them, scrub them. That's gonna take about 4 or 5 hours. After that, I've got to paint the ones that are bad, but I'll put that aside for later. I've got to put new hooks on them. That's going to be about 4 or 5 hours. And then I got to put them in my inventory and then go sell them. So it's a long process, not counting the hour I drove there, the hour I drove back, the hour of diving, although I was pulling a lot of barrels out. And this only took 5 minutes to pull out of the water. So that was a big haul, big find, well worth it.